Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the very first time, this is I, Olamide, and welcome to Chill with Lami. I film about beauty and I film about lifestyle. And to my OGs, the one subscribers, my friends and family, welcome. Thank you for tuning in and for watching. I believe that you watched till the end. Side-eye. But while you're here, please like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, all of those good things that you put on your status. Please make sure that you push our agenda to your status. But anywho, in today's video I'm going to be filming a beauty tutorial. And now, backstory: I filmed a smoky eye tutorial video for you guys, but it didn't go live because I lost some footage, and the ones that I had, I just couldn't make sense of it. It wasn't fit for YouTube, Instagram, or even my status. The only thing I could salvage out of it was a photo, and I'm going to probably link it up here. So I said I was going to do it again, but right now I'm not sure if I actually want to do it again, if I want to go through that stress. My mind, the vibe, the excitement, everything I got from doing that or wanting to even film that is gone. I'm just going to do something else and just play around with my face, and hopefully you get to learn one or two things from my process. So if you not follow me on TikTok or Instagram, that's where all the juice is, okay? And here as well, so yeah, so that I don't talk too much, let's get right into the video. So my face is clean now, and the first thing I'm going to do is use this poreless Cosrx 2-in-1 poreless power liquid to just tighten my pores in. concealer also has a red undertone. I'm going to use this Ferrarici concealer palette, so I'm just going to put it here. I'm going to use this Revolution in C18. It's a very dark shade, and I'm going to use that. It's actually very dark. I don't know if I want to use it alone or mix it. See how dark it is. It's literally dark, so if you're looking for a good contour shade, this is one that you should try. I'm going to mix it with my Fenty just so that I don't have time blending because it's quite dark. So this is what we are having, and I'm going to spray my face now. So the next thing I'm going to do after this point is to use my powder palette, the lighter shade, and just use very little on that over my eyes. Just very little because we're still coming back to set with setting powder, and this quantity is enough for me. The same thing with my forehead and the bridge of my nose, and that's about it. Then I'm also going to contour with my dark powder, the same palette as well. So this is what I have right now. Next thing is for me to set under my eyes so I can proceed to doing the rest of the stuff. I like that you know, always changing my processes, and that's because I like to always say that, you know, no, as long as you get the same outcome, it doesn't matter whether you start with your lips first or you start with contouring first. Anything you do, like, there are no rules anymore. Just do you, and you know, ensure that it's of good quality. I'm going to be using this shade here. S-Pon. I'm not an oldie, guys, because why am I still using this setting powder in 2023? As long as it does the job, as long as I have a makeup that is serving me, I'm going to keep using it because I use money to buy it. So this is what is making noise, by the way. So yeah, I'm done highlighting, I'm done contouring. The next thing for me is to do my eyebrows. I have this eyebrow gel that I got on Amazon, and I'm just going to take some of that. There's updates on the rosemary oil. So the thing is, I don't even know. I think it's working. Um, what I noticed at first is that my itchy scalp has stopped. Like, my scalp doesn't itch anymore, which is amazing because I don't even know. I've treated dandruff many times. There's no dandruff. I still remember asking the person I did my DD. And I asked her, like, are you saying dandruff? She said no. So why is my scalp itching me? But when I started using rosemary oil, like, it's there too. It just stopped. I didn't even remember. I'm like, oh, my hair actually stopped scratching me. I've stopped scratching, I've stopped itching me. That is just an update, guys. If you want to, you know, treat your scalp, I think rosemary oil is lot to me. When you like, when you share, when you leave a comment, it feels like thank you for a job well done. It feels like payment and salary at the end of the month. It feels like a credit alert. It feels like a random gift. It feels like flowers at your doorstep. So please, you know, all of those little gestures that you feel like, oh, I don't care, it means a lot, you know, to content creators like me, especially we that were trying to grow. So please, you know, thank you for your support. Thank you very much. So let me know I'm done with this look, and let me know what you guys, you know, think. Yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.